What up fam, it's your boy Dooley, aka Mr. Do Work, here with another review, another unboxing. Let's check it out. Guys, what we have here is a 10-inch LED ring light. I'm gonna unbox it for you so you can get a quick look for yourself and see if you want to purchase this before you hit the purchase button. I like the aesthetics of this. Not every ring light I've ever purchased has this look. Here's the stand. Here's your controls. Just snaps in right there. Then you just screw this on. Voila. So I'm taking this. There you go. Let's turn it on and see how it looks. These are your different looks. And I'll show you the impact on my skin. Guys, the impact of ring lights. So this is without the light on, and I'm just talking to you. You can kind of see it's kind of dark. I have other light on in the background, but as soon as I turn it on, look at that difference. Look at that difference. Let's go to a different setting. So it changes the complexion of my skin. It's like a filtered, different glow on there. So you can see the difference. That's probably the light I would probably go with right there. Possibly this one. Definitely won't go with this one. So guys, I hope this helps you. This is done for you because I know what it's like when I want to purchase something but I'm not quite sure. Now I'm here for you. I'm a cheat sheet to show you before you make the purchase. And hopefully this helps you enough that you're like, I have a very good idea of what I'm getting. All right, make sure you guys show me love. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Andy Dooley Fitness. I do a ton of these reviews there. And let me know if there's more you want to see. Holla at your boy. It's your boy Dooley. I'm out.